If only you knew the power of the dark side. So hopefully that won't get me demonetized. Smash like for me right now and go ahead and subscribe. That helps the algorithm. So happy Star Wars Day to everybody. May the 4th be with you. And I'm going to go through my lightsaber collection as it stands on May the 4th, 2021. So in order of cost, price, that's what we're going to do here. So the very first blade costs about $12. This is a toy that I bought at Best Buy in the closeout section. Isn't that cool? I mean, it's got samples of Darth Vader's voice, right? It collapses. It even has light. How can you beat that for like 12 bucks? Now, I'll tell you why I bought this. I bought this because I was actually going to take the sound card out and put it into a lightsaber that I made myself. And that lightsaber is this one right here. And I made this out of plumbing parts. You can see this is a plumbing part, and so is this, and this, and this, and this is PEX tubing. So you can take this out, actually, and you can put it back in and play with it, and your kids can mess with it, and it can come out, and this comes in red and blue, so they can be good or bad. I took windshield wiper blades and I cut them and glued them to the base here. You can see there's a little drain tube here that would be where the speaker would be. And yeah, I thought about taking this apart and putting the guts in here. And well, I just like this so much. And maybe I'll do that in the future. Maybe I'll have a buy another one on closeout and do that. But yeah, so this basically came from Home Depot, and I'm thinking all the parts maybe cost me about, I don't know, $35 or so. Let's put it that way. So, I guess I did say I was going to do it in order of price. Well, I guess I went a little bit out of order because this next one is only 20 bucks. You can find this on sale a lot of times. And this is the Star Wars Scream Saber. This thing is so much fun. It has 9 different sound modes in it. Plus, you can record your own.
After the beep, say something loud.
Something loud!
Something loud! Something loud! Something loud! Something loud! Something loud! Something loud!
So you can make your own sounds, and it's got 9 different sounds, and I've got a video about this one that you can look at below. I will have the description. All right, so those are the toys, all right? And that's not why you're here. You're here to see like the actual lightsabers that I have, right? Which are basically toys for, you know, grown-ups with money and that sort of thing. So this one is the AliExpress. And I use this for twirling, spinning. Actually, I should probably turn the sound on for this one. This has 9 different colors and 3 different sound fonts. It has flash on clash. It has blaster deflect. It has different modes of lighting where it'll pulse, it'll flicker. It has lock up. So it's pretty cool, huh? So this is this cost me $65 from AliExpress. Okay. This next one I got off of Amazon. And so you can buy this on Amazon. This is called the YDD Ghost. Isn't that a beautiful handle? Beautiful handle. Okay, you can also see it's very bright. It has 3 different sound fonts. It also has 9 different colors. There's flash on clash. There's blade lockup. That was $95 on sale. I think now, if you bought that today, it would be over $100. That was on sale for like Black Friday, I believe. Now, the final lightsaber that I own is my pride and joy. This was a gift given to me by my beloved, and it is the Hasbro 2010 Force Effects Darth Vader replica lightsaber. This thing is heavy. Can't really spin it. The blade does come out, but with some effort, you have to like unscrew this, take this collar off, and take that out. And it only has 1 sound font and 1 color. But this thing is metal and heavy, and it feels like a prop replica. That's what it was designed as. Oh, and listen to that sound. And it does not flash on clash, but it makes the noises when you do make an impact. This thing is as close as I have come to an original so far. Now, this was my first lightsaber ever. And I've acquired the others for various reasons. So this one I like to spin with. It's very comfortable in the hand. It spins very easily. This one, I really like the design of the hilt. This one's just super fun. This one was going to be part of this one when I was making my own lightsaber. So where do we go from here? Well, what I really wanted to do was I wanted to get a Profi Neopixel in time for this video, in time for May the 4th. That did not happen. As usual, I over-examined the situation and I was paralysis through analysis. Plus, you know, everybody's like, oh, but they're going to be having sales and, you know, you'll be able to get this. And there's so many things that are out of stock right now. There's so many problems getting Profi boards. You can't buy the individual ones on certain websites that used to have them. So what I would like from you guys is if you could tell me in the comments below where to get a reasonably priced Profi Neopixel Saber, I would be so indebted to you. Thank you very much in advance for doing that. But there you go. There's my lightsaber collection right now. Show me yours. Tell me what you've got in your collection. This is going to grow, I'm sure. Especially once I get the Profi Neopixel, I think what I'll do is, what I really want to do is, because a lot of people out there seem to have questions with that board, that Profi board. I'd really like to do a lot of videos to explain how to use it as I learn, so that other people can learn too. So please give me a good recommendation. Also, if you think that Profi's not the way to go, and you say Crystal Focus FX is the way to go or something like that, then why don't you tell me that as well and recommend the next blade that I should buy. Appreciate it, guys. Have a great day. May the Force be with you, and do something nice for somebody today without getting caught. It'll make you feel good. Take care.